Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Dart key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this quick task even easier. This entire process is straightforward and should only take you a few minutes. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the fob is securely closed. Now, test all the functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything works perfectly. If you're looking for other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.